How to download free games on PS5. Let's get started. In order to help you with this, let me head over to one of the article. So let's say this is one of the article which is gonna guide you. Over here you can see it says you can download free games on PS5 without needing a subscription or making any payments. Let's see some of the ways to access free games. Well, many games are available for free download, such as Fortnite, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, and many more. So first thing you want to do is, you can browse the PlayStation Store free section to find a variety of free games. Simply search for free in the store, and you'll see a list of available titles. While a PS Plus subscription is required to access the monthly free games, some games are offered for free or a limited time and can be downloaded without a subscription. Some games offer free demos or trial version that can download it and play it for a limited time. So you have to make sure to check the PlayStation Store regularly, as new free games and promotion can be added frequently. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.